here today to talk to you about vancomycin-resistant Enterococcus. Before we get into the specifics of VRE, let's get to know a little bit more about bacteria in general. Bacteria is a very small, single-cell prokaryotic organism. Their sole purpose is to replicate. Let's talk about bacterial cell structure. Bacteria cells have three layers of protection: the capsule, cell wall, and cell membrane. The capsule on the bacteria is special because it's very strong. Bacterial cells have no organized nucleus, but they do have chromosomal DNA that's located in the nucleoid. They also have a small, circular, double-stranded DNA molecule known as the plasmid. Bacteria cells do not have organelles, just ribosomes. Between all the DNA and ribosomes is the cytoplasm, shown here as orange. Outside the cell are pili, which help bacteria cells stick together. They also have an appendage that looks like a tail called a flagellum. The flagellum helps the cell move. Now that we know a little bit more about bacteria, we can discuss VRE. Enterococci live in our body all the time, generally in our intestinal tract, and cause no problems. There's an extremely bad form of enterococci. It causes the person to get very sick. Usually when we have bacterial infection, the doctor will treat us with antibiotics, which are drugs that kill bacteria. VRE is very hard to kill. VRE is known as a hospital-acquired infection. Most patients that get VRE are already sick, in intensive care, have cancer, have an organ transplant, or have been on antibiotics for a long time. The symptoms are just like any other infection, like fever, chills, diarrhea, or a wound that won't heal. A doctor has to do a special test to see if the bacteria is VRE. If the test is positive, they give the patient a special antibiotic that will kill the bacteria. VRE is passed from person to person by nurses, doctors, or other people who take care of patients with the bacteria. It is not spread by coughing or sneezing. The transmission of VRE can be decreased by simply washing hands with soap and water, cleaning bathrooms, and healthcare personnel wearing gloves when caring for patients that have VRE. Thanks for watching.